My question is labor the right word? I think the time when we were looking at a person only for physical help, okay, I mean, using limbs to give us physical help was labor. And today, actually, we need somebody to partner. So I will coin the other word, which at least in Mahindra we started using from last now almost 9 years, associate. I mean, are these guys associate or labor? Just take a call, and I think that will give you many of the answers which you are looking forward to. As a typical manufacturing guy, if we have to find an answer, okay, the best thing is to go to the root cause. Why people are not available today? And very clearly, it's a worry of their safety, of their family, and security. Okay, but all of us are worried about safety, and that's why we keep on talking work from home and all those things. If we are able to take care of these two issues, one is building confidence that come back, we will do all the right things, all the known possible right things on the shop floor from hygiene point of view, so that you are able to work without getting too much worry about your health. And we will take all possible precautions. And the second is that worry about security. If something goes wrong, okay, if business again becomes a problem, or we get into a second wave of COVID, or in a very confined area, what happens to me? Okay, will I be supported or will I be left back? Okay, I will not like to give answer on what to do, but if we are bothered about these things, okay, and if we believe they are our true partners to take the business ahead, and if we are able to provide security, if we are able to provide safety, if we are cautious about it, I think things will work. The most important thing is that I think if we believe they are our partners, then are we having adult to adult conversations? This is my personal experience, and I think it has worked. Is sharing facts, okay? No hidings. I mean, if Corona is a issue, okay, is a health issue, we don't have to say that it is, nothing can go wrong with you, but we have to say that this is a reality and we have to cope up with. I'm just saying that how do we make them partners will make difference. Second is that job is not about only doing that physical job. I mean, how can we enrich their jobs? Okay, how can we use? We can have programs so that their mind and heart can be used. Very critical. So job enrichment. Okay, can we have self-management managed teams that they lead their this thing? Can we have quality circles? Can we have the kaizens? I'm just saying that, are we using the complete man or no? And the organizations which will use a complete person, all everything of a person, will get a chance to be more competitive than others. Okay. Last and most critical, are we valuing skill? Do we believe the person close to job knows the max or no? The typical Japanese way of thinking, that the person close to job understands the best, and that's the reason they say whenever you have a problem, go to Gemba, go to that location where the problem is. Now, with current situation, when our possibility of going to the location has become even less, and then even if we have possibility, speed has become a problem. So we have to bank on those guys, okay, who are close to the job. They are able to ask questions and resolve. Third thing will be that how do we make sure that by all doing all this, we create a trust, okay, which makes people to do things even if there is a bit of risk, and people don't look only at duty, but more than a duty, and see that they are becoming a part of a big ecosystem. If they don't contribute, the ecosystem gets affected and society gets affected. I think that's something which I will like to talk on. associate crunch. I will not use the word labor crunch.